All right, I want to thank you for tuning in the video today. Today we are at Outlaw Off-Road, and behind me I've got a 24 3500 with the Cognito Elite Kit. Now, the biggest thing we're going to talk about today is adjusting the Elka shocks. There's not a lot of information on it. If you want to Google it, you can go see what you can find, but you won't find much, okay? So when you get the Cognito Elite 3-inch on the front of these things, and these are 2.5-inch reservoirs, and guys, you've got an adjustment on these, okay? This adjustment's right here. Basically, the best adjustment is to go all the way in. In is for a stiffer ride, out is for a softer ride, okay? And so you want to go in all the way, come out about 4 clicks, and then see where it's at. If you want it to ride softer than that, just keep increasing those clicks on each side, okay? Now y'all can see this dually behind me, really clean, really good looking. Y'all, we've got the 35 1250 17s on the stock wheels, Nitto trail graps. It's just a really good look. It's got the Elkas on the rear, and when you order this Cognito Elite Kit, it's going to come with the 2.5-inch reservoirs in the Elka shocks, okay? So that's the way to go. If you really want a good ride, you want good capability, you know, that's where to get it. And you know, if you're looking to get your vehicle outfitted, Outlaw Off-Road here in Victoria, Texas, give these guys a holler. They can hook you up. Y'all, same thing. So if the video helped you any, please hit that like and subscribe. We will catch you on the next video.